We're going to look at tree height. And let's say we went out and we got some measurements. The distance from the base of the tree to the person taking the kilometre reading, let's say that's a nice easy number like 14 centimetres or 14 metres. Distance to tree, 14 metres. And let's say the person from their feet up to their eye, where they're actually doing the kilometre, is 1.5 metres. Distance to eye, 1.5 metres. We've got that information. Now, let's just say we got an angle of, say, 35 degrees on the clinometer. Angle 35 degrees. Now, to do this and make it easier to do, what we use is a scale of 1 to 100. Let's put that there. That means that 1 centimetre on this piece of paper is equal to 1 metre in the real world. Okay, so let's start drawing some of this up. Okay, so we'll need a line that's at least 14 metres long. Well, 14 centimetres, because 14 metres would be 14 centimetres. So let's just go this way. So we can do that. And we'll pick this point here as the person standing. And we'll go over here 14 centimetres. Oh, my tree's not going to be that far away. There it is. There's 14 centimetres. I don't know how big the tree is, so I'm just going to draw a line. A right angle, of course, because we know this is why I've got a loose piece of paper, so I can move it. I've got two pieces, that was rich. Okay, I get this one here, I do a right angle. Yes, close enough. And then draw the right angle up. I'll extend it down and up. I don't know how big the tree is. Now, the person I've got is 1.5 centimetres tall, well, 1.5 metres. So here I'll do 1.5 metres up. So I've got everything nice and organised. So there's my 1.5 metres there. I'll need a right angle down the other end. So I'll put this down here. Get a right angle. Do a line up. Turn it sideways, make it easier. And my head doesn't keep popping in. So there's my right angle. I'll go down that way. And now it says our distance is an angle of 35, so we need to go 35 from the horizontal. But first of all, we've got to know where the person's eye is. So I need to go up here 1.5 for the 1.5 metres. There it is. So as the person's eye is there, because I want a baseline there, I'll put a line across here. So this line's 1.5 above the ground, or 1.5 centimetres. So we can write this down as 14 metres because we know it's 14 centimetres. This is 1.5. Now this angle was 35, so we go up here and put a 35 degree angle in. This is where I see how good my right angle was. Oh, it looks pretty good. There's 35, fairly easy to do. There we are. I go back here. Now all I have to do is extend this line because I'm making a similar triangle. I've got to extend it all the way along. That won't work. Extend all the way along to here where it meets this line. So I go here. Hope you guys can see it. I'm not looking at the screen. Oh, just enough. Look at that. That angle there is 45. No, not 45, 35 degrees. 35 degrees. This here is 1.5. 1.5 centimetres makes 1.5 metres. Scale diagram, so it should work all right. If you want to put a person's head, you can put the arms in there, feet, make that the eyeball in there, something like that. Over here you've got a tree, and you can actually even draw the tree in if you want. There we are, there's a bit of a tree. And there's the top of the tree. So what we're going to do is find out how big that is. How do we do it? It's quite easy, because we know that this across here is 14 centimetres, so that's 14 metres, so the height of the tree can just be measured off it. You could either use the fact that this is 1.5, or you can just measure from the very top all the way down that line, and it says, if that's the point, and that's the bottom, that's 11.4, see it there, 11.4 metres, because you could add the 1.5 and add 9.9, but what for? There's your 11.4 metres, which is the height of the tree.